Hello, folks. My name is Jerry, Watchdog Group Corporation from Chicago. I am a county, federal license approved, and I want to introduce you to some beautiful videos that I received from a friend of mine from Pakistan, where the farmers try to harvest corn. You will see beautiful things. But before I show you the video, I want to introduce to you the things that I do for, and I want to ask you to join me in the New Year 2025. Well, I have the year is halfway done, but we still got a few months to go. Journey to justice, health, peace, and success for everybody. I wish that very sincerely to you people and to everybody. Now, the video is going to be about farmers, as you see on this poster that I composed. Watchdog is watching the farmer's life, not only in the United States, but all over the world. And we are very fortunate to be able to share it with you. Now, after the short introduction, as I said before, I'm going to show you the movie. So just be patient and bear with me and hear what I got to say. We also deal with disabled people, senior citizen. I'm 66 years young. I'm disabled. You see that polishing over there because I'm bilingual. I came originally from Poland. And you see the law symbol in here. Yeah, we look out for the seniors, for disabled, and everybody else. We show you how to get things done and how to get a help and support for yourself. And besides the things that I just mentioned, we also issue with deal with medical concerns people might have, not only in the United States but all over the world. Poland, you see the symbol. We deal with the government issues, local government, state government, federal government. So you can get in touch with me at this numbers that you see above. That's the local number and international phone number. On this one here, I want to introduce myself to you. You see my picture on the left? I made a picture in front of the Delhi Center. The fellow on the right over here, he is actually from Pakistan. I work with him for past several years, 5 years plus. And he helps me tremendously with my technical issues and YouTube channels and so on and so forth. I want to thank you guys to support me on YouTube by subscribing, watching my channels. You're not only helping me, but you're helping a lot of people. So thank you again for overwhelming support. Right now I got 3 channels, not only live in Chicago, but 2 other ones that I started not too long ago, 6 months ago. So if you have any comments or suggestions, please contact me also. Let me know what would you like to see on my channels, what information you are looking for, what answers you could provide for us, or anything else. And the way you could get in touch with me, obviously you're on YouTube, but I'm also very active on Facebook. Nextdoor.com, a very nice platform. I suggest that you guys go on that platform. It's a domestic one, but it's a lot of information in there. People are looking for items, offering a service, donating things, looking for things, giving answers, asking questions. Very interesting platform to be on. And here's an upcoming movie, guys, that I got I don't have anybody scripted being here. It's based on the real stuff. That's from Pakistan. You guys are right. And go on. Browse the farmland. Every once in a while, I go to so not only let's continue watching our channel. The cornfield. Farmers are getting ready to cook their corn. Busy on a hot day. Corn is ready. I Folks, don't forget to press this button and subscribe to our channels. And this is another movie. Oh, that's
आ गया
on over there. No, think about it. Very nice.
कौन सी बना वो बड़ी बड़ी खा
Help people, young people, older people, disabled people, business people, big corporations come to ask me questions.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਣਾ
I have a little bit of everything. Single, I've been around. Glad sometimes. Learned a lot of
ये बाहर भी
that's what life is all about. Not learning. Do best. Share jobs. So pretty soon I think I'm going to have a live commentary going on maybe once a week or something. I'm exploring this idea of what I'm doing on a daily basis, weekly basis. Share my thoughts, share questions. Try to go live. I prefer studio.
लो जी
Spend some time with it. I do still have some health issues that I need to address them. After that, you know, I
कार्ड कार्ड बहुत पक्की
need it for
क्या बात करी
just see the corn and so forth. Corn is our very very basic, very important part of our life. We make product from the corn besides just the food. Okay, folks, don't forget to subscribe. Help me, please. More farmers walking around on summer day, farm field and lucky town. I think this is still cornfield, if I'm not mistaken. I grew up in a farm years ago. I missed the life a lot then. Now this is a little different crop, I guess. That's for the folks over there.
This is mango tree.
Yeah, mango tree. Yeah, a lot of trees. That's a kind of fruit tree. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy some of the sightseeing
Yeah, देखो ना
Pakistan
मीठा
forest.
ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਆ ਕਾਣੇ ਆ ਗਏ
Oh, that's pretty nice trees, yeah. There you go. Oh, okay. Next time I will get better prepared.
ਕਰਿਓ ਦਾਤੀਆਂ ਚੋਕ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ
Exactly.
ਆ ਖਾਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿੱਗਿਆ ਪਿਆ ਈ।
It took me about a month and a half to compose this video. I almost forgot about it. I hope my friends would hate me for this.
Mango tree.
But we finally doing it.
Mango tree.
Oh, mango tree. That's a mango tree. Now we got it. Okay. Very nice.
ਰਾਤੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਸੀ
Oh, they have a beautiful day for harvesting. Enjoying their farmland. We got some more mangoes. Well, folks, I hope you enjoy viewing
ਇਹ ਜਾਮਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੂਟੇ ਨੇ ਯਾਰ
different part of the world.
ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਈਏ ਗਾছ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ